Managing a modern restaurant involves far more than preparing food and serving customers. It requires seamless coordination between the front of house, kitchen staff, and management. To do this efficiently, you need a powerful, yet easy to use system that keeps everything running smoothly. RestroWorks POS is a restaurant point of sale platform built to handle exactly that. From managing menus and orders to tracking inventory and generating performance reports, it brings together the tools restaurants need to thrive in today's fast paced dining industry. RestroWorks POS is trusted by a wide range of business, from small cafes and quick service counters to full service restaurants and multi location franchises. The system is cloud based, mobile friendly, and designed to adapt to different restaurant formats, helping you streamline operations and provide exceptional customer service. In this video, we'll walk you through RestroWorks POS key features, setup tips, and how to make the most of its tools to optimize your day-to-day operations. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the order management and tableside ordering. With RestroWorks, servers can take orders directly at the table using a mobile device or tablet, which syncs instantly with the kitchen display system. This real time flow reduces miscommunication and wait times. The interface supports dine in, take-out, and delivery workflows, making it easy to manage all service types. This increases order accuracy, enhances guest satisfaction, and allows for quicker table turnover, essential for busy service hours. Another key feature is the menu setup and real-time customization. RestroWorks features a drag and drop menu editor that allows you to add categories, adjust prices, upload item photos, and create modifier sets for upselling. You can also assign different menus to different times of day or service types. This offers full flexibility to tailor your menu to business needs or seasonal changes, and helps staff upsell with clear modifier prompts. Another key feature is the inventory and recipe level tracking. The inventory system connects to each menu item's recipe, deducting ingredient quantities in real time as sales are made. You can also set alerts for low stock, automate purchase orders, and track vendor information for easier reordering. This helps reduce shrinkage and overordering while improving control over food costs and margins. Another key feature is the employee scheduling and permissions. With built-in scheduling tools, you can assign shifts, track hours, and set permissions for each employee based on their role. Clock ins and clock outs are recorded directly in the system, and tip distribution can also be managed. This simplifies staff management, ensures labor law compliance, and keeps sensitive functions secure with role based access. Another key feature is the advanced reporting and multi location insights. RestroWorks provides detailed reports on sales, labor costs, voids, discounts, and customer trends. Multi-location operators can monitor performance across branches in one centralized dashboard and compare results in real time. This empowers managers and owners with actionable insights to optimize staffing, identify top selling items, and maximize profitability across locations. So, why is RestroWorks POS a great choice? RestroWorks POS is purpose built for restaurants of all types, combining functionality and ease of use in a sleek, responsive interface. Its mobile compatibility means staff can work with smartphones or tablets, while its cloud based architecture ensures you can manage your business from anywhere. In 2025, RestroWorks stands out for its affordability, flexible setup, and reliable customer support. The system continues to add integrations with third party platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, QuickBooks, and loyalty apps, creating a connected ecosystem that helps you scale without complexity. So, whether you're launching your first restaurant or growing a franchise, RestroWorks adapts to your operations. Another reason it's a top choice is because onboarding is fast. The intuitive interface allows new hires to get comfortable within minutes, and live support ensures help is always available. Combined with in depth documentation and training materials, you can launch with confidence. So basically, running a restaurant means managing countless moving parts. RestroWorks POS brings those parts together in a single, easy to use system, allowing you to focus less on logistics and more on the customer experience. From fast paced service to back office insights, RestroWorks helps restaurateurs operate smarter and more profitable. So, if you're ready to reduce operational stress, improve staff performance, and deliver better dining experiences, RestroWorks POS is a smart, modern solution for 2025. So set up your system today and experience the difference on all-in-one restaurant platform can make. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.